Hey guys, so in this video I wanted to find out how Python's inheritance works. So there's a parent class and a child class, and just having a look here, we have a person class, and you can create an object and you can call on that. Here you can create a child class. Okay, so a student, you see, has no methods in there, and yet we can say x.print name. So that is how it works. They talk about the init function. So you can call a parent function from the child function. So here we have a different way of using a super function. All right, so I just wanted to test it out and see how it works. I created a folder called inheritance and have an example one. So here we have a person and here we have a student. Okay, so we create an X object and I call print name, and you can see print name is not here, it's inherited from person, and that's where print name is. All right, so now if we try and run this, go into Python 1, run, and you can see it prints the name out as expected, Mike Olsen. All right, so that's how inheritance works, is printing the class, the method from the person class. All right, so this second example here, we have our init for person. So when we call student, we need to initialize the person. So we have first name and last name, and we pass that over to the person. All right, so this is going to go in here and then go into the F name and L name, and we call the person class from down there. All right, so again, I wanted to just try this out myself. So let's have a look and run. And again, that worked out as expected. All right, so this person can be written in different ways. As you can see here, have a super function. So we can substitute person and we can use super like that. All right, and then I wanted to check that out again. Oops. So it seems I don't need to have self. So this is the reason why it's nice to type things out, so you get to discover things that you didn't figure out when you read it. All right, so that should be like that, and then it works. All right, so I just wanted to quickly have a look at the inheritance and see how that works. So lastly, there's a multiple inheritance in Python. So student can inherit from person and human. So this is the documentation for Python, and here you have base 1, base 2, and base 3, and it will basically search for the methods going from left to right. So in this my example, I have human and I have student and I have person, and you can see here I'm calling on student methods that belong to human and person. All right, so you have the name, and through student we can call those. So again, let's have a look, run that, and we can see the method worked. So that's super cool. I'm looking forward to trying it out and seeing when to use the multiple inheritance. Again, as usual, this is just a couple of or 3 questions to revise what we've just read here. And that's it for inheritance. Just very quick walk through. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video.